Welcome to week 4 of Management Information Systems and Technology. For this week, I'm going to explain how e-commerce work and why security and trust are critical ingredients. I'm also going to define m-commerce and explain how mobile payments work. I'm also going to describe the major sources of business intelligence and provide examples of their usefulness. I'm going to explain several approaches to data mining and decision support that help managers analyze patterns, trends, and relationships and make better data-driven decisions. Lastly, I'm going to explain how digital analytics are used as a source of business intelligence and why they are so valuable for understanding customers. E-commerce refers to the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. It encompasses transactions between businesses, consumers, governments, or nonprofit. Websites whose main goal is selling need e-commerce capabilities. E-commerce systems typically include shopping cart software that tracks purchases as customers navigate the site and click add to cart as they go. When the customer is ready to check out, the software tallies up the purchase, calculates taxes based on the customer's location, computes shipping costs, and also posts a discount if the customers enter a valid promotion code. An e-commerce transaction must be secure from end to end, despite including several steps on different servers that can be geographically quite distant. The credit or debit card information is transmitted to the payment gateway, which facilitates all the online interconnections to the merchant's bank, the bank or other entity that issued the card, and then back to the original website. If the transaction is approved, a confirmation is returned to the seller's site. And you see that form as you shop online, you're using e-commerce to actually buy goods. The biggest form of e-commerce is basically business to business selling other goods to other businesses. We have business to consumers, which now a company like, just say, Walmart sells products online to people that shop, consumers. There are various forms of e-commerce and how it functions and operates. We also have consumer to consumer, when you sell goods from eBay to other people. Even on Craigslist, you can now sell various things, and now other consumers can actually buy it. That's another form of e-commerce. Well, with m-commerce, which is mobile devices, much of the website's development occurred before mobile devices with high-speed internet access spread so widely. What makes these devices different and so appealing? 3 features stand out: small size and lightweight, mobile versus connectivity. Mobile commerce refers to the use of wireless mobile devices to conduct e-commerce. M-commerce has been going on for quite some time, as consumers use their wireless devices to connect to the internet for banking, shopping, paying bills. Another type of m-commerce gaining speed is the use of mobile devices as digital wallets that actually pay bills on the spot, eliminates the need to carry cash. Another form of that will be the near field technology. And near field technology, how does a mobile phone pay a bill? The most common approach relies on a near-field communication, which is IDSs, a set of standards for technology that supports communication between mobile devices when the two are very near one to another. Another thing is too, when consumers, they have various apps, and it's up to you to basically now go to the App Store and now download those apps onto your phone. When you download those apps to your phones, they basically now tell you about various promotions and things going on within the company. They may even do a 10% discount. Also, they ask you what is your location service, because if you're actually nearby and the store is actually having a promotion or anything like that, they will actually let you know expeditiously. So it's a good form. A lot of companies have their mobile commerce, and they utilize it to their advantage. And why? Because a lot of times we are always connected with our phones. We have it with us at all times. And now a lot of times people actually purchasing various goods with their mobile devices. Business intelligence is a broad category of applications, technologies, and processes for gathering, storing, accessing, and analyzing data to help businesses, users make better decisions. So a decision is a choice among two or more alternatives made by individuals and groups, diverse in nature and made continuously. Decision making is a systematic process. Why managers need IT to support these decisions? The number of alternatives to be considered increases constantly. Decisions must be made under time pressure. Decisions are becoming more complex. Decision makers can be situated in different locations, as can the information they need. Another form of business intelligence systems that people use on a regular basis is basically, and small companies actually utilize that as their business intelligence system to make decisions, is which we look at is Excel spreadsheets. Large companies actually do more of a data mining, and they use different technologies to basically help them with those data minings. So through the organization and well beyond its borders, managers find valuable sources of information that can improve decision making. The heart of BI is a transaction system used for daily operations. Within the organization's own database is a treasure trove of data about customers and employees, suppliers, and every financial transaction to avoid slow down operation systems. Most organizations build data warehouses by extracting part of all of the data from those databases and moving it to another server. This process offers an opportunity to combine the data housed in separate systems, cleanse and transform it, and load it to one database optimized for complex query. As individuals put more and more information online, organizations deploy software as a service. Considerably more data that is useful for BI exists in the cloud, on servers that could be quite distant from the company's headquarters. External databases that are either purchased or publicly accessed are also excellent sources of business intelligence. Websites, blogs, wikis, social networks, photo sharing, video repositories, discussions forums, text messages may contain insights and business intelligence can draw from these sources. Technological advances are giving these sources more structure and making it easier to access and analyze these sources. Online analytic processing, which we call as OLAP, systems allow users to interactively retrieve meaningful information from data, examine it from many different perspectives, and drill down into specific groupings. The software allows users to dice massive amounts of data stored in data warehouses to reveal significant patterns and trends. OLAP systems use into multi-dimensional cubes, which are data structures that contain detailed data and aggregated values for dimensions, measures, hierarchies. Data mining and decision support systems rally on statistical analysis and models to identify real patterns and differences that probably did not occur by chance. Statistical relationships can be especially useful to spot. For example, a technique called market basket analysis looks for relationships to reveal customer behavior patterns as they purchase multiple items. Results show meaningful patterns that help retailers decide how to position products in physical stores and online. Dipping into the vast storehouse of unstructured text-based data contained in emails, blogs, tweets, online product reviews, comments, yield critical business intelligence. Text mining, a variation of data mining, is a discovery process in which unstructured text information is the source of business intelligence. Text mining software tools rely on keyword, semantic structures, linguistic relationships, parts of speech, common phrases, emotion Latin word, and even misspelling to extract meaningful information. Another form of this that we can even look at is how if you purchase something from, let's just say, Amazon, and next time you basically log on to their site, they basically give you recommendations on your previous spending habits. So they use that form of patterns to basically see exactly what you will like and to give you more of a selections for the next time. And companies utilize this all the time. Even managers use this to basically see how their sales team is doing and how people are performing within the company. What if analysis? What if analysis builds a model that establishes relationship between many variables and then changes some variables to see how other variables are affected? Excel is popular for building relatively simple what-if models. A what-if model can also prepare a sensitivity analysis, which calculates the impact of changes in a single variable. Goal seeking is similar to what-if analysis, but in reverse. Instead of estimating several variables, calculating the result, the user sets a target value for a particular metric, such as profit loss, and tells the software which variable to change to try to reach the goal. An extension of goal seeking is optimization, in which the user can change many variables to reach some target as long as changes stay within constraints identified by the user. Optimization is used in many settings in which the best solution must meet many constraints. For example, airlines try to optimize profit per flight, taking into account constraints such as fuel cost, ticket discounts, gate availability, airport congestion, and connections. Forecasting tool analyzes historical and seasonal trends and then take into account existing and predicted business conditions to estimate some variables of interest. With dashboards staying on top of this endless stream of data from so many business intelligence sources can be an immense challenge. Business users need strategies to sort it out and pick the most useful data to make good decisions. Like a car dashboard, the IT dashboard is a graphical user interface that organizes and summarizes information vital to the business user's role and decision. The dashboard should summarize key performance indicators, which are the quantifiable metrics most important to the user's role and organization success. Digital dashboards provide rapid access to timely information, provide direct access to management reports, are very useful, friendly, and supported by graphics. And you'll see that in if you look at the stock market, you'll see those graphics that basically tells you just the projections and how well the stock is doing. Similar to that, that's what a lot of managers look at when they're analyzing various trends within their company of what is working and what is not. Give you an example, they have a management cockpit, which is a strategic management room that displays a series of dashboards that helps managers pilot their business better, creates an environment that encourages more efficient management meetings, and boosts team performance via effective communications. It also displays key performance indicators and information relating to critical success factors graphically on the walls of the meeting room. So, hope you guys had a good week, and I look forward to the next week with you.